So our next panelist is Abhishek Ganguly. He is the MD of Puma India. He is going to again speak for 4-5 minutes on the general topic, but I specifically asked him to focus a little bit more on managing employee productivity in a work from home environment. So over to you, Abhishek, for 5 minutes.
Thanks, Ninad. I think it's really gratifying to see more than 500 people listening to us on a Saturday morning, especially listening to 6 of us predicting the future when future is actually uncertain. And I don't think it's always very prudent to predict the future like we saw. Well, I think most importantly, that the world has changed, and I think the world will be different post-COVID than ever before, and the impact is going to be long-term. We are in a product business where there is not just an office environment, but we run about 370 exclusive stores. So there is retail where consumers come in. On an average, about 1,000 consumers used to walk into our stores every day. Health and safety, I think, will remain very critical in workplaces going forward. And we all have to be very, very mindful of that. Don't forget that we also have to run warehouses where there are millions of products and there are a lot of people through the shifts working through. And their health and safety is going to be extremely critical. Business clearly is a challenge and will be a challenge. It is very natural that employees are bound to feel insecure. Compassion and empathy will be critical for factors at workplaces. I personally feel that compassionate leadership will be the go-to word that will emerge in the new world, in business. Times are uncertain, like we all know, and workplaces need to rehaul their thinking. It is not about just predicting how businesses would be, how the business would be, 12 months ahead. Businesses have to adapt, and hence flexibility and nimbleness will be extremely critical for businesses. We all have to track what are the new trends, in the consumer space. New trends of consumer behavior are going to adapt. We have to have new discoveries, and we need to adapt our entire strategy and the organization to that change. I also think that as the world is changing, communication and collaboration will be more important than ever. Communication, not just with one's employees, but with partners, with consumers. Consumers, when they walk in to a retail environment, they need to feel safe. Also collaborating with vendors, suppliers across the entire value chain will be critical. And I think in the digital world, communication and collaboration will find new avatars of doing that. Ninad asked me that what do I think about employee productivity? How do you manage that in a very work from home environment? I think we are all finding new ways. We're discovering new ways of working. But what hasn't changed in terms of managing employee productivity, and I think that comes to the fore even more today, is having clarity of goals and objectives and having the ownership clearly laid out in the entire organization. I think each employee should know how is he or she contributing, what is the cog, which cog in the machine is that person. And as long as that clarity exists, I think automatically the ownership will lie with the employees, and they will rise to the occasion and they will take the onus. And of course, one needs to have regular, structured tracking of progress. So I think it's very important that everyone knows what role they are playing. Trust will be a key factor going forward, and I think micromanagement is out. It is about having trust in the employees, giving them the clarity of what role they are playing, and not micromanaging them. Thank you.
Thank you, Abhishek. Great. You spoke about compassionate leadership. You spoke about clarity of goals and objectives. I liked your last statement. Trust is important. Micromanagement is out. Great. I think some great lessons for the 500 plus participants who are here.